Welcome to MathGames. We wanted to walk you through a new feature we've added that will really help you and your students. It's called Math Tips. Teachers have created tutorial videos that cover all of the skills found on MathGames. Now students can view these tutorials at any point during their assigned skills. This is done through the teacher tutorial icon located at the top of the skill page. Every tutorial is between 5 and 30 minutes long, depending on the concept covered. If a student gets 3 questions wrong in a row, MathGames will pop up a subtle message asking if they'd like to review the tutorial video. If they need extra help, your students can now get it right on the spot. The student can view the tutorial or continue on practicing math. We know teachers and parents are busy, and getting to every student when they need help can take time. With Math Tips, you now have an extra helping hand with digital learning. We hope you enjoy this new feature, which is entirely free at mathgames.com.